So here today we are going to open this water dispenser by Morphy Richards. So it is an unboxing video. So this is how it looks like in front of the box, on top of the box. This is the side of the box. It holds, as it says here, it holds up to 3 liters. So let's see this one. Okay. So I'm just focusing the side of the box. It says here, it's a hot water dispenser. It is a Brita filter. So these are the functions of this Morphy Richards. So we are going to plug it in.
Hey Google.
Right.
So
I'll show this one.
okay.
So this is the Brita filter that goes here. So it's pretty sturdy. It's made of plastic, and there you go. It's black in color with silver touching in here, and this is a turning knob. How many meals do you want to have? So there you go. It goes until 15. What's that? 1.5 liters. And there you go. I'll show a bit more later once it's set up. So here we're back. We already pour some water in this dispenser, so it can take up to 3 liters. So I added up about 2.5 liters already in here. The Brita filter is there. So if we are going to put this here, this is how we're doing this one. So water is inside, and then you can pull this out for the water to drip. If you are going to take a cup, and then you can put a cup here. Then it depends to how much milk do you want. So let's just say this can take up to 1.5 liters in just one go, or you can do it by small cups, like let's do 300 ml. There you go. Then this is the temperature. So the lowest temperature that it can give you is 85. Let's try that. And wait, so just press it 95 or 85. And then press start. There you go. So that's pretty quick. Let's try it out. Okay, that's good. Or if you want as well, you can take, you can, once you finish. Oh, by the way, this one, you can use 2 cups. Hence the drippings, like, there's 2. So you can just put one here and put the other one here. Or if you want to take a bigger hot water, you can push this back and put this thing on, and you can rotate this one to how much liters do you want. So let's go to 1.5 liters, then 85, then press start. So that's it. It's pretty awesome. That's